Multiplication and division of rational numbers. Any number that can be expressed in the ratio of integers p and q, that is, in p by q form, such that q cannot be 0, is called a rational number. For example, 3 by 4, 5 by minus 11, minus 13 by 7. In this video, we are going to understand how to multiply and divide rational numbers. Let's talk about multiplication. Basically, it is similar to multiplication of fractions. Consider the rational numbers 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. Let's multiply them. To multiply them, we will take product of numerators 3 and minus 2 and denominators 4 and 5. The product of numerators is minus 6 and is the numerator of result. Similarly, the product of denominators is 20, which is the denominator of the result. So, the result is minus 6 by 20. Let's bring it standard form or simplest form by dividing numerator and denominator by 2, which gives result minus 3 by 10. Consider multiplication minus 3 multiplied by 5 by 7. Here, minus 3 is an integer. Here we multiply minus 3 with the numerator as its denominator is always 1. Equals to minus 3 into 5 upon 7, which is equals to minus 15 by 7. Now let's learn division of rational numbers. For that, we must know the reciprocal of a rational number. For a given rational number p by q, if we exchange the numerator and denominator, then we get its reciprocal fraction q by p. For example, reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 and reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Similarly, reciprocal of 6 by 7 is 7 by 6 and reciprocal of 7 by 6 is 6 by 7. A whole number, for example 4, can be expressed in fraction as 4 by 1. So we can write its reciprocal as 1 by 4. Likewise, the reciprocal of the fraction 1 by 4 is 4. If we multiply a rational number with its reciprocal fraction, then the product is always 1. For example, let's multiply 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 equals to 2 into 3 upon 3 into 2, which is equals to 6 by 6 or 1. If you understood this concept, let's learn division of rational numbers. Basically, dividing a rational number a by b by another rational number c by d is same as multiplying it by the reciprocal of c by d. For example, 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. The division problem can be converted into multiplication problem by taking reciprocal 2 by 3 as 3 by 2. Product of numerators gives the numerator of the resulting fraction and product of denominator gives the denominator of the resulting fraction. Further simplifying this fraction, we get answer 6 by 5. To make calculations simple, you can also divide 4 by 2. Solving in such way also gives same result. Likewise, for division of integer by a rational number or rational number by an integer, the method remains same. For example, 2 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 2 into reciprocal of 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, so we can write given expression like this and solving which we get 4 as the answer. For example, Saroj spends 2.5 hours daily on reading a book. If she read the book in 8 by 3 days, then find the total time she spent on reading the book. In the question, it is given that Saroj spent 2.5 hours time daily on reading a book, and she repeated the same for 8/3 days. So we can write time 2.5 in one day, and we will assume that she spent total of x hours in 8/3 days. By taking cross multiplication, 2.5 into 8/3 equals to x into 1, or x is equals to 2.5 into 8/3. This multiplication can be solved by converting mixed fraction 2.5 into a rational number as 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 5/2. After that, we find the product of numerator 5 with the numerator 8 and product of denominator 2 with the denominator 3. It gives the result 40/6. By simplifying this fraction, we get 20/3 as the answer. It can be converted to mixed fraction 6 and 2/3, that is 6 hours plus 2/3 hours. Since 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, so 2/3 hours equals to how many minutes? Let's take the cross product. 1 into x equals to 60 into 2/3. So, x is equals to number of minutes in 2/3 hour, which is equals to 60 into 2/3, or 60 into 2 by 3, which is equals to 40 minutes. So, Saroj took 6 hours 40 minutes for reading the book. Next example, solve 3/13 divided by -4/65. To solve this, first convert division into multiplication by taking reciprocal of -4/65. So the expression becomes 3/13 into 65 by -4. Here, we can multiply 3 and 65 directly. However, if we observe the numbers closely, then we find that 65 is divisible by 13. So before multiplying numerators, we can simplify the expression by dividing 65 by 13. It helps us in two ways. We did not arrive at big numbers with which further calculations become difficult, and it also helps to save time for doing calculations. Here, 65 divided by 13 is 5, so we write 5 at the numerator. Now the expression becomes 3 into 5 upon -4. Now it is simple. In the same way, try to simplify the problem as much as you can. Here, the product of 3 and 5 is 15, and write denominator -4 as it is. This rational number is still not in its standard form. So multiply the numerator and denominator by -1, which gives result -15/4. So I hope you understood the explained topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.